respect each one another, love and give kindness to others.
We should accept who they are because all of us are human after all.
Of course, we should respect them because if you don't want the people to do it to you, don't do it to another person.
Don't discriminate people, we should not bully them or judge. Instead, we love them who they really are. Because we don't need to judge or to talk to them badly because we don't have the right to do it.
Let us support LGBTQ plus community because we are all son and daughter of God.
We need to support LGBTQ community so that they will feel love and support to them. We should accept who they really are.
I just had to let you know you're
Hi! Nagkapso!
Instead, we love them who they really are.
Ay, kasi natin.
Love and give kindness to others.
We should accept who they are because all of us are human too. Ay!